Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out other devices on Instagram. First of all, open up the Instagram application in your mobile, tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now tap on these three bars in the top right corner and now tap on this account center. Then here you need to scroll down a little bit and then tap on this password and security. Now here under the security checks, you can see this where you logged in, tap on it and then select your Instagram account here. And then here you will be able to see all the devices that's connected to your Instagram. So if you want to log out the other devices, just select devices to log out. And now you can just select the devices and then tap on this logout. Click on this logout again and that's pretty much it. You can see you have successfully logged out from these devices. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.